Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can become a Shopify partner in 2024. In shopify.com/partners, and this is where you want to go in order for you to join the Shopify partners. And then click on join now right here so that you'd be able to register into your account right here. So let's just go with sign up with email, but you can also go with other methods. So in my case, I'll just go for this one right here. I'm gonna go here into email. I'm gonna paste that and tutors for every, maybe something like that. Just a sample right here, and let's just do it right here and click on create Shopify account. And now it's going to create a Shopify account right here. And now in this step, you would need to provide all of the information of your business right here. But don't worry, it's just basic ones. You don't need any license ID or whatsoever. Just provide your phone number, your email, and other informations, and then you'd be good to go. So once you're done creating your account right here in Shopify Partners, you'd be able to verify your email right here. So this is very important that you verify this so that you can access the features that is included in Shopify Partners. So let's go back into our email right here and confirm your email address. This is the email we are looking for, and click on confirm. And then let's confirm that. And now, as you can see, it says it has now been verified. Now you can just refresh your Shopify Partners right here. And as you can see, you are now verified right here. And now you can do what you need to do here in your Shopify Partners account. You can add stores right here. You can integrate apps. You can add apps, create apps, or whatsoever. As you can see right here, you can request access to store if you have a managed store by a client, or you can just create your own development store so that you can test out or whatsoever. And then here in the apps, you'd be able to create apps and so on. So yeah, that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.